Hi fellow investors, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss and analyze about a stock which has a potential to grow as well as the potential breakout which is going to be happen as per my in-depth technical as well as the fundamental analysis. Currently, this stock is exactly trading at 528 rupees and I'm sure that this stock is going to consolidate until 500 rupees, which where I see a very strong support on the buying zone for this company. This company stock is going to go and reach at least 1000 rupees in 1 year. So this recommendation is for a long-term investment, which I want you to hold the stock for at least 1 year to gain more in profits, which is more than double. Let me explain you the deep dive technical as well as the fundamental analysis of this company so that you could be able to understand where exactly that you need to enter, how long that you need to travel, where exactly that you need to book the profits. This video is divided into 3 chapters. One is the fundamental analysis, technical analysis and chart patterns. In chart patterns, I will take you into my screen. I will show you exactly what kind of pattern which is forming right now, where exactly the strong buying zone as well as the selling zone, where exactly the breakout is going to be happen and how much are the profits which you are going to gain in return within a very short span of time. As I said before, this stock has a potential and the potential value to grow until 1000 rupees within 1 year. Let me take you into my screen and will show you the detailed fundamental as well as the technical analysis. I would request you to please subscribe my channel, do like, comment and share these videos to the other fellow investors whoever want to invest in the stock market so that they could be able to understand the breakout stocks as well as the potential growth stocks and will enter exactly at the very right and the best bargaining and the discounted prices as per the technical analysis, and they will able to gain more in profits as well. Thank you very much again. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind. Hi fellow investors, welcome back to the channel. The stock which we are going to discuss and analyze today is Adani Power Limited. I have done a deep dive fundamental and the technical analysis, and I wanted to let you know that this stock is going to go and reach at least 1000 rupees within 1 year of time. I want you to watch the video entirely so that you could be able to have and you could be able to understand both in fundamental analysis and the technical analysis. This video is not only for the purpose of providing you the breakout stocks and the potential growth stocks. I want you to understand the concept of both the technical and the fundamental analysis so that you could be able to find your own breakout stocks and gain more in profits from those companies. When it comes into the technical analysis for Adani Power, this chart is the daily chart for Adani Power. You could be able to see it clearly that I have mentioned the very strong resistance line, which where I see the more number of sellers are waiting and the strong buying zone and the trend line support as well as the technical pattern. You could be able to see it clearly that this stock was continuously in an upward momentum from February 2023 until December 2023. Once after a heavy breakout with a heavy green candle and with a heavy volume, this stock went into a consolidation zone, which where we could be able to see it clearly that both the green and the red candles, meaning like the buyers and the sellers are trying to make an upper hand within the parallel channel. I'm sure that this stock is going to retrace until this price, which is going to be over here, and then will bounce back towards into the strong resistance zone. And as per my in-depth fundamental analysis, I have figured out that this stock has a very strong potential value and the potential growth which is going to be happening in power industry. This stock is going to give a huge breakout over here with a heavy volume and then will reach into the new higher zones, which is at least 1000 rupees in 1 year. So I want all our fellow investors to keep this stock for at least 1 year to gain more in profits, which is more than 2 times. When it comes into the technical analysis, this stock is continuously in a parallel channel, which is where both the strong buying zone as well as the supporting zone which is forming right now. So I'm sure that this stock is going to consolidate until this price, as the Nifty 50 is already in a consolidated zone, and then we'll give a huge supporting zone over here, and then we'll start bouncing back towards into the resistance line. So let me do the deep dive fundamental analysis of this company so that you could be able to understand how strong is that company when it comes into the revenues. This company has a market capital of more than 2 lakh crore and this company's stock P/E is 8.74. When we compare this P/E ratio with the industry P/E, this company still has a lot of room to grow. in power sector, and the promoter holding of this company is 71.8, which is really very high, and the price to book value is 5.03, which is really very good, and the earnings per share is more than 60 rupees, which is really very strong, and this company has a book value of 105 crore, which is really a good sign and very strong for this company. When we compare the results of this company, when we do it from the past 3 years as well as from the past 5 years, this company has tremendously provided a huge profits. This company has generated a revenue of 10,727 crore for the fiscal year on March 2023. When we compare these results from the past at least 10 years, this company has never gained these many profits. This company started in negative zone, and then slowly this company's profits were tremendously increasing from minus rupees to plus, and this company has provided a good profit of 1,270 crore on March 2021, and then this profit has increased 3 times on March 2022, and then again this company's profit has increased almost like more than 10,000 crore for this fiscal year. And when you compare the sales growth, this company has increased the sales growth from 14% to 21%, and the profit growth increased from 120% to 130%, and this company's CAGR, compound annual growth rate, which has increased from 91% to 159% for this fiscal year. This is really very good for any company, and the return on equity for this company has increased from 34% to 45%. This is really one of the best in the industry right now. And when we compare and the shareholding pattern, this company has a foreign institutional investors which are hold of 15.86%, and this company has a domestic institutional investors which are hold of 1.18%. This company is very strong in fundamental, and the revenues are getting increasing on a 2 times and 3 times when we compare it from the past 3 years as well as from the past 5 years. This company has a very strong earnings per share, and the profit growth, P/E ratio and the P/B ratio, as well as the net profits and the net growth were tremendously increasing from Adani Power. When we compare it and when we do an analysis on technical, this company is in a very strong consolidation zone, which where I see that the potential entry of this company, the best entry into this company is going to be over here exactly at 492, in between 492 rupees to 500 rupees, and the target one is going to be over here, which is exactly at 583 rupees. I'm sure that this stock is going to consolidate a little bit more until this price over here, and this is the best entry, which way the more number of buyers are waiting to buy this stock, and then this stock is going to go and reach again to this price, which is exactly at 585 as a target one, and 700 as a target 2, and 1000 rupees as a target 3 within 1 year. I am sure that this stock has a very strong potential growth, which is going to reach at least 1000 rupees as per the fundamental analysis. Thank you very much for watching this video. I would request you to please consider subscribing my channel so that you will get a notification whenever I posted the videos on the breakout stocks and the value investing and the potential growth stocks. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind.